Hello everyone out there, I'm Preeti Jha, student of Topper Engineering and Management College, one of the most prestigious colleges of Nepal. CEC has organized a virtual contest ongoing pandemic COVID-19 and it's been a pleasure to be a part of it. And I hereby request everyone to participate and share their thoughts from their respective faculty point of view. Now I'm going to share my views on economic crisis due to COVID-19 and my ideas on how to overcome it. So let's dive right it. According to the BBC World, it is said that the current lockdown restriction is cutting output from the economy by a third, and no question, it is huge. Elaborating this statement, the production rate of goods in the market is decreasing day by day. It's all because the social distancing preventing measure doesn't allow the workers to work in a group, which means no more production to be carried out in this lockdown situation. The main thing is that the customer of certain products are self-quarantined, due to which they are not allowed to reach the place and buy the certain goods. The economy of the world solely depends upon the customers which are not available during the lockdown situation. Now I'm going to elucidate the scenario in our country Nepal. As we all know that Nepal is a buffer country which is surrounded by two giants. The decline in economic activity due to COVID-19 lockdown is unprecedented in Nepal. Its impact on production sector is worse than expected. Also, I would like to add the export-import between Nepal, China and Nepal, India is minimized. It means that there is no products available in the market for the customers, and some of the customers which are available also cannot reach the place to buy the good for themselves during due to this lockdown, and this becomes the solid reason for the declination in the economy. Also, the government revenue for the services is sorted. For example, in normal days, a company uses 5,000 units of electricity to produce goods, which collects a huge amount of revenue for the government. But now what? Due to a production less situation, the company is not producing any types of goods, so the government revenue is not collected from all these sectors. So how can we overcome from this crisis? According to a research done by Greg Gillespie, he suggested a ways for recovery. They are named as V-shaped recovery. I'm gonna illustrate them so yeah, you have some time to hear me. V-shaped recovery is a type of economic recession and recovery that resemble a V-shape in charting. Specifically, a V-shaped recovery represents the shape of a chart of economic measures economics created when examining recession and recoveries. A V-shaped recovery involves a sharp rise back to previous peak after a sharp decline in these metrics. Thanks to my college department for providing me this opportunity to share my views on COVID-19 economic crisis. Thank you.